Protean and wheel motors. US manufacturers say that you can drive future electric vehicles with these motors in the wheels. The wheels are so flexible that they can be added to factory assembly lines or used to turn vehicles with internal combustion engines into hybrids. Depending on the model, the wheels are used for front, rear, or all-wheel drive power. For example, the PD18 version has 215 horsepower on 2 wheels and 430 horsepower on all 4 wheels. In this version, the waves of a revolution weigh about 79 pounds. The designers say that one of the benefits is that torque is spread out well, which makes the car more stable and easier to steer. The motors that are built into the wheels also help save fuel. A modification called Protean 360 Plus for special equipment gives you full 360-degree steering. RazerLift, a Canadian company, has invented and patented a new way to organize cargo for taller vehicles like vans. It makes it safer, faster, and easier to load and unload. It can carry up to 150 pounds and is controlled by a remote. Computers run the system, so there is no need to make small changes. All you have to do is push a button and a loading platform will lower to about chest level. It is possible to change it so that it has 2 sides. The system works fine with long loads like ladders, building materials, or different equipment parts. You can use the method all year, but in the winter, it is even more helpful because it makes it less likely that someone will slip on snow or ice. Customers also point out another significant benefit of some van models. When the rack is lowered, it doesn't get in the way of the sliding door. TruckMate. This system will be helpful for anyone who often hauls large items in their pickup truck. With this product made by US experts, it will be easy and take less time to unload crushed stone, gravel, mulch, compost, and other similar materials. The system is easy to use. All you must do is push a button to start the conveyors. The more miniature conveyor belts can move to the left or right, and its controls are on both sides. It can be taken off if needed, which is helpful if you need to dump the load in the tractor or on the ground. The manufacturer says that it will be easy to install and that the pickup won't need to be changed. $9,000 is the price for this item. Also, the TruckMate HD version is coming out, which will work twice as fast but cost up to $16,800 more. BMW's wireless electric car charging system. BMW also has new things to offer. This charging system is made for some of the company's hybrid cars. It will take about 3.5 hours to charge them fully. The method comprises 2 plates: the ground pad, which attaches to the garage floor or an outdoor parking spot, and the car pad, which connects to the car's undercarriage. Putting the car in the right place is easy because the screen shows the best route. The charger has 3.2 kilowatts of power, and German engineers are sure of this. The rate of efficiency is about 85%. All of the parts are protected from rain and snow, and they are all washed over automatically. If something outside of the plate falls on it, charging will stop. The project is part of BMW's plan to build more systems like this. By 2025, the company wants to have 12 electric and 13 hybrid cars so that these charging systems will be beneficial. Uniute slide tray. Australian experts say a cargo slide tray can turn your truck bed into a heavy-duty sliding platform. Their design works for some vans and pickup trucks, but not all of them. For example, one option in the catalog is a Nissan Navara that can carry up to 551 pounds and costs $711. Some of the best things about the system are how easy it is to set up, how well the weight is distributed on the frame, how the platform material is waterproof, and how smoothly it works. For safety, the tray locks in 3 places: closed, half open, and fully open, with a 26-inch extension for the guide rails. You only need one hand to pull out the tray. This product is excellent for people who work in construction, trade, people who make liveries, or people who like to stock up at the grocery store. TopLift. US-based TopLift experts are sure this is the best tool for taking off and storing hardtops on the market. According to their calculations, it takes about 30 minutes to take off the top the usual way, but it only takes a few minutes with the TopLift. You can use a tool on 2 4-door Jeeps, and you can check specific models on the website of the tools maker to see if it works with them. For the Ford Bronco, there is also an option. TopLift weighs 137 pounds and can be moved with wheels, 2 of which have brakes. The frame is made so that once the hardtop is taken off, you can safely store it on the tool. Quick, easy, and safe, say the people who made it. Some users think the price of $1,000 is too high. What do you think? Tire Collective. Did you know that 28 of the main microplastics in the world's oceans come from car tires? A group of students from the UK came up with this system to save the environment. It collects microplastics based on their aerodynamic properties. Even though the system is still just a prototype, it can already collect 60 of the tiny pieces of plastic that come from the tires. Experts in aerodynamics and aeronautical engineering work together to make this happen. One of the designs is attached to the steering knuckle, and some of the microplastic it collects can be used again like in 3D printing. The team wants to improve the system and put it on the market. Let's wish the people who made it luck, and remember that sometimes it's best to leave the car in the parking lot and go for a walk. Rhino Hitch. A good car needs a good hitch. This is an excellent option for people who like to move boats, trailers, and other significant things. You can choose from different hitches for different cars, and the most weight you can pull is 16,000 pounds. The hitches are attractive because they can be moved up or down by 9 inches and are easy to carry. This keeps the tires from wearing unevenly and keeps steering problems from happening on the road. You can put the adjustment pin in a matter of seconds. The company that makes Rhino Hitch says it will make all your towing dreams come true. Prices start at $300. If you need them, you can buy extra parts and accessories separately. Socorro A500. The next thing is a British idea. This system makes it easier to get bikes, scooters, and motorcycles from one place to another. There are different options for buyers to choose from. The model at the top of the line can hold up to 330 pounds. One exciting thing about the system is that you can move it forward to get to the car's back doors. The platform has a coating that keeps it from slipping, strap locks, and a wheel stop. The flagship model kit also comes with a ramp and a set of electronics chosen for a specific car model. To make things easier for their clients, masters are ready to help with the installation and provide a replacement car while the work is being done. And if the customer's motorcycle weighs more than 330 pounds, they will be offered a classic motorcycle trailer that can carry up to 530 pounds. Hitchlift. This little crane came to take this choice to a whole new level. It was made by a heating and ventilation expert who thought of a terrific way to lift heavy things like air conditioners to 24 feet. The mini crane is easy to put together and take apart by yourself and can raise to 310 pounds. When it is taken apart, it can fit in the back of a pickup truck, and there are different options for the platform. You can also turn the crane side to side. Your safety is our top priority, the company that makes Hitchlift says. So, each part of the mini crane goes through careful quality control, and a suitable powder coating protects it well from rain and other physical impacts. Shoppacart. Did you know that about half of the grocery carts fail a basic hygiene test? Also, the handles of about 20% of the coaches are covered in saliva or other bodily fluids. That doesn't sound very nice. So, a group of people from Australia made a personal shopping cart that fits easily in the trunk of a car. They did this to make shopping safer and more comfortable. One person can unfold the folding cart without any tools. The model can hold up to 44 pounds, and when it's folded, it's 16 by 35 by 23 inches. Also, you can buy extras like a shelf for big purchases, a place to put your cup or phone, a hook for your bag, a divider, and a protective mat. The price of the cart is $450. $100 will get you a set of accessories, but you can also buy each separately. Robson Drive System. Robson Drive is the name for the strange wheel drive. It's great for trucks and other vehicles that need a lot of grip, like all-terrain vehicles. The trick is that the vehicle has special drive rollers that you can move up and down. When they are lowered, they are tightly pressed against the wheels, and the rest is easy. The wheels of the trailing axle turn when the rollers on the drive axle spin. Tire problems are one problem that could happen if this system is used all the time. But as a temporary fix, for example, on a steep hill, it works well and costs little because a full-fledged drive axle is much more expensive. The solution is top-rated in Scandinavian countries. For example, the Finnish company Sisu offers Robson Drive as an option on their trucks. Russian ultra-range vehicles such as the Trump 8 also have the Robson Drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.